Act 5, Scene 2 of Hamlet by William Shakespeare opens with Hamlet recounting to Horatio how he evaded the death plot orchestrated by King Claudius. He stealthily replaced the letter meant to seal his fate with one condemning his once friends, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, to death instead. This revelation sets the stage for Hamlet's firm resolution to avenge his father's murder. Osric, a courtier, arrives, delivering Claudius's proposal of a fencing match between Hamlet and Laertes. Despite Horatio's reservations about the contest, Hamlet accepts, welcoming the unforeseeable future. The scene shifts to the court where the duel is to take place, with Claudius, Gertrude, Laertes, and others gathered. Claudius suggests they begin with a show of sportsmanship, persuading Hamlet and Laertes to reconcile. Hamlet expresses regret for any past harms, attributing them to his madness. The duel commences, with Hamlet scoring the first 2 hits. With each hit, Claudius makes a show of offering Hamlet poisoned wine, which he refuses. Gertrude, in her pride for Hamlet, inadvertently drinks the poison herself. The match grows more intense, leading to both Hamlet and Laertes wounding each other with a poisoned blade intended by Laertes to kill Hamlet. Gertrude collapses, and before dying, reveals she's been poisoned. In the chaos, Laertes confesses to the treachery, implicating Claudius in the plot. Hamlet, in a final act of vengeance, kills Claudius with both the poisoned sword and the wine. As the scene draws to a close, Laertes and Hamlet reconcile with their dying breaths, absolving each other of guilt. Gertrude and Claudius lie dead, and a fatally poisoned Hamlet insists Horatio live to tell his story. The sound of marching announces the arrival of Fortinbras and an English ambassador who shares the news of Rosencrantz and Guildenstern's deaths. Hamlet endorses Fortinbras as the next ruler of Denmark before succumbing to the poison. Fortinbras, taking in the tragic sight, orders Hamlet's body to be treated with the respect due to a fallen soldier and future king, signifying a transfer of power but also reflecting on the calamity that befell the Danish court. Through the bloody resolution of familial and political vendettas, the scene ties together the complex web of deceit, revenge, and tragedy that defines the play, leaving Fortinbras to ponder the ruinous cost of power and ambition. So that's our Bookly crash course for today. Make sure to check out our full chapter-by-chapter playlist on the Bookly Crash Course channel.